double trouble, double trouble. We got a mic check. Mic check 1, 2. Propagating. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. And let's get it on. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Doubles. Did I mention money, 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 money for everybody? I bless you with money. I bless you. I bless you with money. Come on now. Bless everybody with money, doubles. Bless them. Bless them. Let's get a share party going on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Money, 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 money. Money. Yo, what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with my illustrious co-host, the one and only DBLNix in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker. Let's go, baby. It's another episode of Power Play, the weekend edition. Let's get ready to rumble for Monday. Unknown wants to know about ONDS. All right, we'll get right into it. Give me a second to finish the intro and we'll get it going. Bobo Beep says, howdy. Lima Charlie, roger that. Let's go. We're getting ready to party today. I'm going to go over a bunch of stonks, bro. 20, 40, maybe 60 stonks. Let's get ready for Monday. Monday, money. Money, Monday. Money, 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 money. Monday. Folks, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit up the subscribe button at Coach Nick Money. And we're also on x.com, a.k.a. Twitter at Coach Nick Money, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, as well as Twitch at Coach Nick Money, TikTok at DBLNix. Let's go. Unknown says, loves our content. Thank you so much for being a part of the Indelible Tribe, brother. Appreciate it. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Going to try to keep it entertaining and educational at the same time. Let's go, baby. Let's do it. Let's do ONDS for our brother Unknown real quick so you can see what's going on with it. Let's check it out. ONDS, ONDS on our checklist. All right, so they've got Palantir relationships. That's the what's pushing it along. It's a heavier floated stock. Let's go get some information on it. There's a conference call scheduled in 4 days. ONDS. Let's go take a look at the structure of the stock real quick. We're going to go into our Discord community's private tools, and we're going to check out the share structure and the last session's volume. The float on it is heavier, obviously. This is a large cap, 480 million shares. The last session volume was 86 million shares, and it closed down. But they do have a conference call in 4 days, and you might have a situation possibly where you have buy the rumor, sell the news. Could be. Let's take a look at what the chart looks like. The chart is basically showing that it's selling off, right? So it has to break this downtrend. It's trying to break above the volume weighted average. So what we want to see happen is we want to see this downtrend right here break right here. This has to break. The fact that the 9 EMA is moving upward is a good sign, but you could see that so far the stock is heavily and thickly traded by both people going long and short. How can I tell? Real simple. When you look at the RSI and you see a very thick RSI line like that, that is an indication of heavy volume going in both directions. So it gives me a moment of pause. But that being said, ONDS is being pushed pretty heavily on social media, and they do have a potential catalyst coming up. Let's see what the last news was on it. Let's go take a look at it. I think that's when they announced Palantir. I'm pretty sure it was Palantir, their involvement with Palantir. Let's see what's going on. All right. So on Friday, their shares were trading lower after the company reported revised preliminary Q4 results. Now, that goes against what we're seeing right now, which is telling us that there's supposed to be earnings coming out by March 25th. So I guess there's going to be a final report on the 25th. Let's see what else is going on. Stocks Sync Friday. General. Okay, there's an 8K that was also filed on March 20th. Let's take a look and see what the 8K says. Now, for people that don't know what an 8K is, this is some funky fresh stuff. Let's get some funky fresh stuff going on. Some funky fresh. An 8K is a Securities and Exchange Commission filing that's required to be filed by stocks that are publicly traded when they have a material change in their situation, right? So that's what an 8K is. They're required to file a disclosure document called an 8K, and in many instances they will also do a press release to notify the general public that they in fact have dropped an 8K and that there was an actual material change in the situation pertaining to the company. That's the Funky Fresh report right there. Funky Fresh. Funky Fresh. You know what I'm saying, Doubles? Funky Fresh, bro. All right, so let's see what the 8K was on ONDS, okay? The Funky Fresh 8K filed on ONDS, the Funky Fresh 8K filed on ONDS was on the 20th. And they originally filed with the SEC on March 9th to amend and update the preliminary results press release fourth quarter earnings for 2025. Since the filing of the Form 8K, management has completed additional financial close procedures and refined certain preliminary accounting estimates, specifically the net change in the fair value of the company's warrant liability, which is expected to result in a net gain for the fourth quarter. All right, so there you have it. That's the news that came out on Friday. It sounds bullish, right? But a lot of times you have a situation where the price action basically buys the rumor and sells the news. That's very common. So we're going to be real careful with this. But let's get some key levels of support and resistance on ONDS. It is on our watch list. It's a heavier floated stock, but again, it has that connection to, I believe it's Palantir. Scroll down. I want to make sure I'm right. Let me check it out. Scroll down, not that. Get out of that. Oh, okay. Right here. Scroll down that. Yeah, on that. Yeah. Let's get the information from the Discord search feature on the news. Let's see what's going on. I'm pretty sure. Just search it right here. Go in there. Yeah. Go in there and go. Oh, stock ONDS. Yep, and then Palantir. Yep. Let's get that information. So they experienced a significant surge on the announcement of a strategic partnership with Palantir Technologies. Now, if you guys don't know who Palantir is, let me break it down to you. Let's get a ship party. Share it up. Let's get to the first 100 because we're going to be dropping some information here. All right, so Palantir is a company that is heavily involved, and this is going to be a little funky, fresh stuff going on. Marty's in the house. What's up? He said, what's up, Coach and Doubles? What's up? All right, so let me talk about this. There's some funky, fresh information on Palantir. Palantir is a big data company, okay? And what they do is they collect large quantities of data and they process that data, and they have a lot of contracts with the federal government. And the fact that ONDS has a partnership with them has created a lot of how should I put it, interest in ONDS, right? Now, it is a heavier floated stock. It's a large cap. And it's supposed to be getting news pretty soon of earnings, and it's anticipated that the earnings are going to be probably on the upside. So I'm assuming that there might be a move upward in price action on ONDS based on that rumor. And a lot of times when that happens, the rumor goes up and people buy the rumor and then they sell when the actual news comes out, right? Not financial advice, not stock advice, just making an observation and sharing it with the indelible tribe. So that's the story with what's going on with ONDS and their relationship to Palantir. Ticker symbol PLTR, by the way. All right. So that's the story. Let's go ahead and get some key levels of support and resistance for ticker ONDS. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Let's do a Fibonacci retracement, and we can see when we do the Fibonacci retracement that the first resistance level after, if it breaks this downtrend, will be at around $10.45. Support is way down here at $9.75, and then your next resistance area would be roughly at around $11. So that's what's going on with ONDS. Good luck to you if you're trading it. Good luck and make a lot of money, because I am Coach Nick. Money! Bless everybody with money, Doubles. Bless them. Bless them with money. Let's go, baby. Make some money, baby. Let's make some money. Money. Folks, want to let you know that we're going to probably have another stock that I got my eye on. that I haven't listed on my Monday morning watch list. I'm gonna share it with you. And again, these watch lists, they don't mean anything unless there's volume that validates all of this stuff, right? This is not an indication to buy any of this stuff. It's just stuff that I'm watching to see what happens. You know what I mean, Doubles? I'm gonna watch and see what happens. Right, Doubles? Right. Okay, all right. Let's take a look at AZTR, which is another ticker that we have on our watch list. It ran parabolic on Friday and has pulled back since then. It's pulled back since then, but it's still on the watch list because I'm interested in it, right? Why am I interested in it? Let me tell you why I'm interested in it. Because the company announced a private placement of $10 million and up to an additional $20 million. So the news is strong. My concerns are if it has a shelf registration, which I don't know for sure it does or it doesn't, it could sell off. But let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at what happened, right? Let's analyze it, right? Let's analyze AZTR, Doubles. AZTR. Okay, it closed up 52% on Friday. Okay, it went a lot higher than that. This is a very inexpensive stock. Okay, so it's going to be volatile. We could see that the RSI is very, very much oversold, right? So there was definitely a loss of interest after that major run that happened with it, and it ran based on that potential $30 million private placement, right? So it ran parabolic based on the news of a potential $30 million private placement. Now, I'm going to break down some funky, fresh news here. Let's get a share party, and let's get it to the first 100. Here's some funky, fresh information about how private placements work. Okay, so how private placements work. What is it, first of all? What's a private placement? Well, before I tell you what a private placement is, I got to tell you what a public placement is. A public placement is where a particular company that's publicly traded can create shares of stocks that actually affect the float of the stock to raise capital. Now, if you increase the float of a particular stock, in many instances, that will cause the price action to drop down because you're diluting the stock. What does that mean? It means that you basically are adding additional tradable shares without necessarily increasing the volume, which is the demand for the stock. So that is a situation where the stock generally goes down in price with a public placement. But with a private placement is where you're actually getting money from the private sector, and those stocks generally are restricted and not part of the float, and that's usually a good thing because it gives more working capital to the company to basically be able to run their business without affecting the float. So that's some funky, fresh information for y'all. I'm just saying. That's what it means. That's what the words are. You need to know the language. You need to understand. Doubles, I'm like this, and I haven't even had my coffee yet, bro. I haven't even had my coffee yet. Can you imagine, bro? Bro, you having a roast beef and cheese sandwich, bro? Yeah, yo, why you hating on your father, bro? Too much cheese? Too much cheese. DBL mom's over cheesed you, bro? Yeah. She's being cheesy? She could be cheesy at times. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I mean, I think she's awesome, bro. She's very awesome, but you know what I'm saying, bro? But you know what I'm talking about, bro? Right? I'm saying that to dissuade you from the sandwich. Ah, I see. All right. So in other words, you're loving the sandwich and you're telling me inaccurate information. Gotcha, bro. All right. Let's take a look at AZTR. Let's take a look at it. Okay. So we know what the news is. It's got a $10 million private placement with the potential of an additional $20 million on top of it. So that's some pretty strong news. A couple of concerns. Number one, it's a sub-dollar stock. So, it's going to be very volatile just because it's under $1. Number two, RSI is definitely oversold. This is a bearish type of situation. We need to see this RSI start to move upward and move towards the oversold area to give us an indication that it is in a bullish type of trend. Right now, it's not. Number three, we could see, I'm going to get rid of this line right here. We don't need it right now. We could see that this stock has basically formed a head and shoulders pattern and has sold off, or you could even call it a double top. It looks more like a double top. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Activation of the graffiti pencil, the pencil of graffiti. And you could see that there's a double top over here. And then, term of art for Bobo Beeps in the house, a flusheroo happens. Flusheroo. That's a term of art, bro. Doubles, it's a term of art. It means that something has reversed to the negative side and dropped the price. So what happens? The price action consolidates and dips more. All right, so it's dipping. So that's an issue. So what we need to do is we need to establish some key levels of support and resistance. So let's get the Fibonacci retracement set up for that, and let's go ahead and do it right over here, right over there, and right over there. All right, so we have the Fibonacci retracements. We could see that this area right here at 29 cents is going to be a resistance area. The VWAP is going to be a resistance area, and the price is loitering at a potential support area of 26 cents. If it fails 26 cents, we could see it drop down to 22 cents. And how good is the Fibonacci? Well, look at this. Look at where it's supporting the price action and where it's causing resistance, right? So we want to see a bounce off of this, and we want to see the price get above the 31 cent mark. Now, what could affect this on Monday? Well, that's a good question. I'm glad you asked. What could affect it is whether or not there's other stocks that are potentially running. If there's other stocks that are potentially running, people might forget about the news from Friday on AZTR. If there's further dilution and the price action drops, they might forget it. If there's a lot of people shorting the stock, they might forget it. But if there ain't that many stocks moving on Friday, maybe they'll remember it. So it's on my watch list. I want to see it stay above 26 cents. I want to see it break 29 cents. But more importantly, I really want to see it a break of 31 cents, at which point we could see a test of 34 and then probably 36 and 38 cents. That's the situation with AZTR doubles. AZTR needs to break the level of resistance at 29 cents. Needs to break resistance level at 29 cents. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 100. We're almost there. We're almost there. I'm gonna have some coffee, bro. I'm gonna have some coffee, bro. Now I don't know if all of you caught the show yesterday. I know Bobo Beaves did. We had a heck of a conversation on pizza, bro. Pizza and pepperoni. No, not pepperoni. Pastrami on rye, right? Yeah. Pizza, the best pizza in Long Island and in New England and Jersey and Phoenix. How about that? Phoenix. Bobo Beaves talked about Phoenix, Arizona having good pizza with transplants, transplants going over there, the old transplants. The old what is that thing called where they relocate you? What's that called? The secret what the heck is it called again? When they take the organized crime people and they post them somewhere else. What's it called? What is that called, Doubles? I can't remember, bro. Oh, anyway, you if you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Witness protection.
Witness protection. Yeah. Which makes complete sense, right? It does make complete sense. Anyway, so that's the story with that particular stock. Let's take a look at MGRX. Okay, let's take a look at MGRX. All right, let's take a look at it because that's another one of our stonks. MGRX. We're gonna go in here. Go ahead and use the news feature on our Discord that we're sharing with you. And right over here, let's put it on the chart. MGRX. Now this stock can move, but it also dilutes like a Dickens. Marty said, witness protection, coach. Witness protection. All right, so let's get a share party going on. Let's see what's going on with this particular stock. It needs to break the key level. MGRX needs to break the key level of 27 cents to get above the VWAP. So MGRX needs to break key resistance level of 27 cents, which is the volume weighted average. It is selling off ever so muchly, ever so slightly, right? But it did run up in after hours. It did run up in after hours, right? And now it kind of sold off since then. But you could see over here that there was a little bit of an increase in price action right over here. Let's see if there's any news here. What does it say? What does the news say about it? Mangoceuticals files civil lawsuit against Clarity Ventures for $73 million, alleging Clarity failed to deliver fully functional HIPAA-compliant enterprise resource planning and e-commerce platform. So that was a lawsuit that it filed to try to recover $73 million, and it caused a slight bump in the price action. So what I want to see is a break of 27 cents, and we'll put a Fibonacci retracement to see some key levels of support and resistance on this particular ticker. If it gets some volume and some attention, and there's nothing better to do, right? If the Nets ain't playing basketball, you know what I mean, or the Knicks ain't playing basketball, maybe we'll get some momentum on this. So this is up above 27 cents is a must happen. It has to break that level. Next resistance level would be 33 cents, and then of course 38 cents. If it fails to hold support at 26 cents, we could potentially see a drop all the way down to 16 cents. Look at that candle, right? So this is going to be a high risk reward type of situation. We'll see what happens with it, but we got it on our watch list. We're going to keep an eye on it. Going to keep an eye on it, doubles. We're going to keep an eye on it, see what happens to it. You know what I'm saying? So those are the first three stonks. Now we're going to go and get a victory royal for the indelible tribe, doubles. Right? Should we get it?
Yeah.
Should we get it?
Yeah.
Should we do it?
Go ahead.
What do you think? We should try to get a victory royale? What do you think? What do you think, doubles? What do you think? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, we're going to go and get a victory royale. Let's get a share party. We're going to go for the first 100 folks. I hope you're enjoying the weekend edition of Power Play, where we get ourselves ready for Monday with our watch list, and we're going to go over at least 20 stocks, but I'm thinking it's going to be more like 40 or 60 stocks, doubles. And I got a secret stock that I have my eye on, my peepers on one particular stock that I'm going to share with you in a little bit, doubles, in a little bit. You know what I mean? In a little bit, bruh. A little bit. Another stock that we're going to keep an eye on. Now, listen, doubles. They changed the season. There's things about it that I love. There's things about it I don't love. I kind of miss the jetpack. I'm not going to lie. I like the jetpack. I definitely miss the impulse grenades. I love the impulse grenades. Those are not the same, though. They don't have the oomph. They don't have the oomph of the regular impulse grenades, bro. They're not. They're not. They work a little bit differently. What they do is they don't launch you as far, and they give you like speed. They give you a speed boost. There you go. I don't mind the speed boost, but I don't know. I'm not feeling it, bro. I'm telling you. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying, bro. I always launch you into the storm, bro. Always, bro. Always, bro. Always. I'm always, because you deserve it, bro. What I do? Let's get a share party. We have also ILAG that closed up 17%. ILAG on low volume. ILAG up 17% on Friday. Up 17% on Friday on low volume. Now, that's a ticker that sometimes gets attention. Not necessarily a great company or anything like that. Not, I don't know if it's a good company or a bad company. I don't know. But it gets attention. You know what I mean? I think it might even be a China stock. China. The China stock. Let's go. Let's go. Man, this is a long drop, dude. Why did I drop you, bro? What the freak? Bro, do you see how far I dropped? I don't know why I did that. Come on! Get over there! Get over there! What are you doing? Oh, man. I missed my drop, bro. I missed my drop, bro. It's alright. Don't matter none. It don't matter none, doubles. It don't matter none. There's gotta be something in here, I hope. Shut the gun. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Ooh, double sue. Actually, this is not horrible. This turned out to be not so bad. Not so bad, bro. Not so bad. Not so shabby. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Wow. Impulse grenade. Impulse grenade. Woo, 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 woo. Impulse grenade. Whoop, whoop. Ooh, ooh. Let's get that victory royale for the indelible tribe. Let's go. Oh, somebody wants to fight me, bro. Somebody wants to fight the coach right off the bat, bro. Yo, these people are redonkulous with this, you know? Alright, 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 alright. Let's do this. Let's do that. Where is this person? Oh, they're not that far, bro. You know? They're not far, bro. They're nearby, bro. Ooh, I feel like I should take that. Alright, I'm not gonna take it. Ooh-wee! Oh my, dualies, let's go, bruh. Dualies, let's go, bruh. I feel like I should go and take this guy out. You know? I mean, he wants to fight, so let's fight, bruh. Oh, he ran, bruh. He ran, bruh. I don't understand that at all. He must have gotten the 411 on me, bruh. I'm telling you, he's a little pluck chicken, bruh. Chickity chick, bro. Oh, look, dude. There's a yeah, but these bosses are not that good though, you know, bro. Should I mess with them? I don't know. Let's give it a shot, bro. Maybe. I don't think you do, bro. These bosses this season are not that schmexy, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna. You know what? I'm gonna try, bro. I'm gonna try. Somebody shooting at me over here, bro. Do I take this thing? Nah, I like the other. Nah, I don't even want it, bro. Nah, I don't want it, bro. I'd rather. That's lame as you know. Nah, it's not even worth messing with them, bro. You know what I mean? It's not. It's not even worth it, bro. Right? I mean, this thing is good for mobility to get into from the storm, right? I'm gonna go over here, bro. There's people here, bro. There's somebody right here, bro. What are we doing here? Alright. You know what? Let's go right there. He's right there, bro. Dude, are you kidding me? Bro, 1 health. What? Oh, yo, bro, this is Fugazi, bro. This is Fugazi, bro.
Oh,
and he got mercantile, bro. Bro, are you kidding me? Yo, that did not count. We're gonna try again because that didn't count. 1 health, dude. Come on, bro. Yo, you know what I should have not have done? I should not have messed with that NPC, bro. What a waste of time, bro. The NPCs give you garbage, bro. Garbage. Garbaggio, bro. Bruh. All right, let's go back in. We're gonna take a look at another stonk real quick. Doubles troubles. You ready? You ready for this? Do you like it? Do you like it like this? GDC. GDC. Heavy float. Low volume. Up 20%. Up 20%. Needs more volume. Needs more volume. Needs more volume. Man, that was lame, right, guys? Come on, bruh. Come on, we need something better than that, bruh. Yeah, I'm not loving the season, bro. I gotta be honest with you. You know? That was a little fugazi. I don't know, I'm kind of saying that maybe this gun's not that bad. The Nemesis AR, it's not bad. But the other one, it's more like an SMG. You know what I mean? So for up close and personal type of situations, you know? Come on, come back here. Get back here, bruh. Get out of here, bruh. Get out of here, bruh. Get out of here, bro. What? What? You don't want some? Alright, what are we doing, doubles? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drop over here, bro. I've had luck dropping on this mountain, you know, bro? Right? You and I dropped there. We got a couple of victory royales yesterday, bro. Let's get that share party. Let's get to the first 200. We're already over 100. Let's get to 200. Doubles. Foo-foo. Closed up 16% on Friday. F-U-F-U. No disrespect. No disrespect. No disrespect. Low volume. Up. 16%. F-U-F-U. Nah, not you. That's the name of the ticker. That's the name of the ticker. What's the name of the company, by the way? What is FUFU?
Excuse me.
What's the name of the ticker? Bitfufu. Bitfufu. Hey, that sounds like a quality stock right there. Bitfufu. Yo, Fufu, what's up, Fufu? Yo, Fufu. Fufu. See, if you call it Fufu, it's not that. Yo, there's a guy running up here, bro. And I haven't even landed yet, bro. I haven't even landed, bro. I gotta get a weapon, dude. This is crazy. Watch somebody do like a whatchamacallit. Look at this, they're fighting already, bro. I'm down to like 10 ammo. Where'd he go, bro? I don't know where he went, bro. There you go, right there. He left, bro. He didn't want no heat. Somebody else over here, though. Right there, bro. I went too far down. Get out of here, bro. 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 Yo, somebody called whatchamacallit, a rivalry on me, bro? Right all the way over there, bro. I see him, bro. I see that fool right there, bro. Where'd the guy go, bro? He's right up there. I don't even know if that's the rival, bro. The rival might be down here. Man. They're a little aggro on Saturdays, huh, doubles? I'm telling you, bro. For real, bro. For real, for real. What is this? Splashy poos, bro. You know what? Do I want this? Let's go. Let's go. He's right over here somewhere, this clown, bro. Where'd he go? He moved, bro. I gotta get rid of this guy, bro. You know that, right? Where the heck did he go, bro? I don't know where he went, bro. He's gotta move because the storm's coming in, bro. Where do you think he is, Doubles? He's gotta move, bro. Weird, right? I don't want to hang out here, but I gotta get this guy. I want his points, bruh. I hear gunfire in the background. Something happened to him. What happened? What happened to the guy? That's weird. Nothing. He like just disappeared, bro. That's weird. Anyway, all right. I'm gonna get my mats now. Somebody's shooting down below. That's the cat. He's down below, bro. I'm telling you. Where the hell is he? Is this guy in? There he goes, right there. That's the guy. That's the guy, dude. That is the guy, my brother. All right. Sorry, fella. Pleasure doing business with you. You dummy. You big dummy. You a big dummy, yeah. Right? How do we do, Doubles? How do we do? Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, bro. Pretty active, right, Bubbles? Pretty active. Alright. And this is a dead area to drop to, bro, you know? I'm gonna get the car. I think the car's gonna be important, bro. You feel me? Yes, sir. Impulsor, impulsor, impulsor. Impulsor, 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 Doubles. Impulsor, impulsor, impulsor. Oh my gracious, bro. How we doing, Doubles? Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 200. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get it. Let's get it, Doubles. Let's get it. Oh my. Look at all this. Is there lusciousness over here? Not really. Not really. Not really any major lusciousness over here. Nothing in particular. Let's get some ammo, though. We could do that, right? I don't need ammo. Oh, no! This guy's trying to shoot me! Bye, fool!
Party Royale Radio.
Let's go, baby. Come on. Come towards me, bruh. Here he goes right there. I feel like I should push that guy. What do you think? Should I push? Oh, look, bro. There's a chug jug right here, bro. Where is this guy? Where is this guy? Where is this guy? He's around here, bro. Where is he? He's above me. He is above me, Doubles. Alright, 2 guys just got eliminated. There's still 1 guy. There's somebody in the water. Alright, let's get out of here, bro. Where you at, bro? Where you at, bro? That's weird, right, bro? Where are we? We're kind of like in a pretty decent spot. I'm not gonna lie. You know, Doubles. All right. All right, Doubles. All right, Doubles. Woo! Man, that's like some sweatiness right there, bro. How about we look at another stonk? ZYBT. Up 18% on low volume on Friday. ZYBT up on low volume on Friday. Let's get that share party. Let's get to the first 200. Sweatiness, bro. Bro, the sweatiness is real, bro. I'm not going to lie, bro. I'm not going to lie, bro. Right? I don't know where these guys are. They're definitely camping around somewhere, bro. You know? I gotta move, bro. Mm-hmm. Bro. These guys are trying hard, bro. They're trying hard to hurt the coach, bro. Bro, there's people all over the freaking place, bro. What the heck, bruh? What the heck, bruh? Bro! Give me a break, bro. These guys are freaking relentless, dude. Relentless, I tell you, doubles. Dude, I'm out of mats. That's some mats. This is not good, bro. I got no mats, dude. It's a 1v1, bro. Oh, mats. This guy's shooting up my mats, bro. I got him. Bro. Mm. All right, that was fun. I almost said it. That was what? Almost.
That was rough.
That was sweaty AF, bro.
Yeah, you almost said it. You almost said the big word.
I almost said the wrong word. We're family friend to throw.
You almost said the word of the day.
I almost said the word of the day, boys and girls. Oh my, yo.
Fire truck.
I gotta be honest with you. I do not love this season. I'm not loving it, bro.
Really?
Nah, bro. You know why? Because the mobility is trash. You know what I mean?
Trash.
It's trash. It's trash, bro. You know what I mean? But you know what I'm noticing though? That zipline thing is important for endgame. You know that?
Yep.
I got to get the zipline at the end of the game. Maybe the beginning of the game for mobility and the end of the game for the mobility. I want to check that out, Doubles. Let's check it out. Meanwhile, while we're getting ourselves set up, I'm going to be talking about a stock that caught my eye. All right, I'm going to talk about it and give it to y'all as one of my watch lists, ladies and gentlemen. But before we do that, let's go take a look at another stock, REED. REED. This stock ran a little bit back in the day. REED. Let's take a look at it. It moved on low volume, up 19%. Low volume. It moved up on low volume. It is a low floater moving on low volume, and it was up 16%. Yeah. Hold on. 19%. 19%. 19%. All right. So let's take a look at it. It needs to break the $5.75 level. That's a key level of resistance. Let's go ahead and give it a Fibonacci. No, not a Fibonacci. Let's give it a key level. Let's give it a key level, bro. $5.75 is what it needs to break.
Right there.
And it needs some volume because when you look at it like this, look, this is a 1 minute, a 5 minute. Let me put it on 1 minute and you'll see it's barcoding. It needs volume love, but it moved 19% on low volume. Look at this RSI moving up. Right, so if it gets some volume love, maybe doubles. What do you think? Could it be? Could it see? Could I see? ABC? I don't know. How about a little cheapo stock? Let's take a look at a cheapo stock. NCT. This is a 10-cent joint, obviously high risk type of stock, high risk stock. 11 cents. Closed up 6%. Closed up 6%. It's an 11-cent stock. Needs to break the key level of 12 cents. Needs to break 12 cents. Doubles. 12 cents right there. Needs to break that key level right there. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement. We want to see the 9 EMA continue to curl. It broke through the VWAP, but we can see that the RSI is still indifferent. We want to see a curl, baby curl. With the 9 EMA piercing through further the VWAP, which is about 11 cents-ish, which is right where it's at right now. But 12 cents is going to be a key resistance point. Let's get a Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement activated. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Fibonacci activated. Boom, like that. Fibonacci. So the support area is at around 9 cents. Resistance going to be around 12 cents, which is what we talked about. It's also the Fibonacci level, as well as the key level that we marked. And then the next key level of resistance is 15 cents. And if it keeps on going, it would be 17 cents, but it's going to need some volume love. We need to see the RSI start to move upward. Obviously, you can see that there's very little trading going on with it. So the fact that it moved up is kind of interesting. We'll see what happens with NCT doubles. How about another crowd favorite? Low floater, RPGL. Every time I hear that, I keep thinking of Fortnite RPG, right? Dude, we talked about this yesterday. Remember when it had a double bottom? Right? And it actually ended up breaking out eventually. It did a fake breakout, and then it actually broke out based on the double bottom. Look at that. All right, so RPGL is a low floater, and it closed up 46% on Friday. And it is bullish stack, 9 EMA above the VWAP. Needs volume love, ladies and gentlemen. Needs some volume love. But we'll keep an eye on this one. We're going to keep a peeper on RPGL. RPGL. Shamexiness, possibly? Could it be Shamexiness? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what the news is with RPGL. RPGL. Cha-cha. RPGL. Cha-cha. RPGL. Cha-cha. Doubles. 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 RPGL. Cha-cha. Doubles. Any news? I don't know. I don't see anything on it. I don't see nothing on it. Let's see. Yesterday, shares moved upward. During Friday's regular session, the company's market cap stands at 1.6 million. So there was no news particularly that made the stock move, but this stock has run in the past. So we'll keep a peeper on it. I still got one more stock that I want to tell you all about. I'll tell you about it after we get a victory royale, though. You know, I'm on a victory royale, bro. Let's get a share party. We're almost at 200. Let's get 300. Let's get 300. I want to go over ACAN, A-K-A-N, A-K-A-N, doubles, A-K-A-N. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out. ACAN, ACAN, da-da-da-da, ACAN. Let's see what's going on with this stock. Let's see. Okay, ACAN is a low float stock that moved on very light volume up about 6%. You could see that the volume situation is very, 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 very low on it, but it did move up 6%, and it is a low floater, so we'll pay attention to that in particular. There was no news here, no news on the stock whatsoever, but there was that unusual movement towards the close of very light volume, moving it up. It is an inexpensive stock, currently trading at 85 cents, and it's a low floater of 2 million. So it's a low floater, inexpensive stock, low floater, up 6%, needs volume. Doubles, it needs volume. Volume. All right, we're almost at 200. Let's get to 300. And let's go try to get a victory royale. Let's do it. Let's try to get a victory royale. Doubles, I'm not loving this season. I'm not loving it. But you know what? I always say that when I first start out. Until I get my bearings, you know? It takes me a little while to get my bearings, bro. I feel like I should have won that last game, bro. But he burned out my mats. He outplayed me, bro. I'm not going to front. He outplayed me. He wasn't a better player, but he outplayed me. Look at the squid, bro. I love the squid, don't you? Yo, did you guys check out the notifications on social media where we put the squid? Yo, that thing was sweet, bro, right? The character's cool, bro. I like that skin. I want that skin, bro. I want it and I need it, bro. Is he? All right, bet. All right, I'm going to jump over here right now, bro. I'm going to jump over here. Oh, and it turns out that if you land in those purple areas, the purple, yeah, it gives you like anti-gravity. It's a rift. It's all kinds of things, bro. Did you know that? Yeah. True story, bro. True story. Let's get a chipotle. Chipotle. Let's get it shared. Bro. I'm almost feeling like I should like challenge people right away. I don't know. What do you think, Doubles? I don't even know, bro. I don't know. I don't mind, bro. I mean, you know. Yeah, I know, bro. I mean, I feel ornery, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Thinking about it, bro. But I don't have the right weapons just yet. I want the right weapons. I want the right weapon. Start a fight. Start a battle royale, bro. Right? A battle royale? A brouhaha. Bro, somebody is shooting, bro. You hear it? Whoop. Get me up there. Come on now. I'm gonna partake in some shooting. Why not? Okay, where? Why is my game freaking out so much, bro? Somebody just started a rivalry, bro. And I don't have shield. No. I gotta get some shield, bro. I gotta remember where the rivalry thing is. I think it's behind me, actually. It's back here, bro. The rivalry thing, where is it? Back here somewhere, right? Alright, I'm gonna go below, bro. I wanna get some heals. Right? I want some heals, bro. Alright, that's what I'm talking about right there, bro. talking about right there, bro. I'm gonna take this guy out quick, bro. I'm just gonna push it. Right? Right there, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. I told you I was gonna take you out quick, bro. Told you I was gonna take you out quick, bro. Right? Doubles. Did you like that? I got it like that. You got it like that? I got it like that. There's people shooting all over the place, bro. I'm gonna take this thing because I think this thing is much more aggressive. What did I miss over here? Ooh, an impulsor. Impulsor, bro. Impulsor. Impulsor. Where they at, bro? There's people over here. I feel like I just gotta get more aggressive, bro. This is like an aggressive season. You know? Oh, right over here, bro. Right here, bro. That, bro. How'd it go, bro? How'd it go, bro? How'd it go, bro? What happened, bro? What happened? What happened? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? Billy Bad, right? Billy Bad, right?
Yeah.
How'd it go for you, bro? How'd it go, son? Doubles. Feeling angry, bro. People are messing with the coach, bro. I ain't appreciating it none. You feel me, Doubles? I ain't appreciating none of that. None of that, bro. I stole this. I stole it. I stole it, Doubles. I stole it. That's what I do. What I do, bro. What I do, bro. Go ahead. Do a rivalry. Come on now. Give me a rivalry. I want your money. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Right, Doubles? What do you think, bro? Don't make me mad. You're not gonna like me if I get mad, yo. For real, bro. For real, bro. Right, Doubles? Wow. Wow. Dynamite. There's dynamite over here, bro. Wow, somebody clean this place out, bro. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that, bro. I want this right here. There we go. Oh, this thing is nasty, bro. You know that? That SMG is nasty. Big time nasty, bro. Alright, let's go in. Let's go in, bro. Let's go in. I feel like I should go into the vault, though. I think they might have some heals that I want to grab, you know? What do you think, Doubles? I think so. Shooting going on right here. I'm not sure where they're at. Ooh, splashy splashes, bruh. I want some of that. I won't miss some of that, bruh. Somebody right here, bruh. Oh, dude! Oh, dude, come on, bruh. Come on, bro. Can you imagine that, bro? Nah, he ran up, bro.
Oh.
Oh, dude. That was so hurtful. Yeah. Listen, no. We got to get a repeat. No. That's a rematch, bro. That's a rematch. That's a rematch, folks. Come on. We got to get a victory royale. Come on now. Come on now. You know, I got one really quick when we first started the season, bro. But lately, I don't know. It's like it's not giving me the love that I need, you know?
Love.
Come on now. Show me some love, Fortnite. I should have had that guy. I missed his shot. I missed the shot, you know? I missed the shotgun shot. Cost me the match, doggone it. It cost me the match, bruh. It cost me the match, bruh. It cost me the match. The match, bruh. It cost it to me. It cost it to me. Bubba Beeps going to Walmart on a Saturday can be bro. I did that before today, before the stream, bro. Man, stressful, bro. I gotta tell you, man, Walmart. I don't know. It's a mixed bag, bro. They got some good deals, but it's annoying. It's crowded. I don't know. And you see some strange individuals there. I'm not gonna lie. He needs a victory royale, bro, to lift his spirits. Bobo Beep said he needs a Victor Romeo. A Victor Romeo, bro. Victory royale, bro. I'm gonna try to get one, bro. I'm gonna get one today. I know it. I know it. Now I'm putting pressure on myself, bro. I'm being all cocky. Bobo Beeps, I'm being cocky, bro. You want me to coach? You want to coach the coach? Coach the coach, bro. Go ahead, coach the coach, Papi Chulo. Coach the coach, bro. Yo, this guy is driving the bus like a strange fool, bro. Okay, bro. Okay. Alrighty, I got you. We got to get a Victor Romeo for our boy Bobo Beeps. Come on now. We got to do this for Bobo Beeps in the house. I'm going to the usual place, bro. I'm going to the usual place. You know that they're going to start a rivalry against me. You know that. You know that. Bobo B said cocky, but not a diva. Facts, bro. Right? See, that's the Bobo B knows what's up. That's my boy right there. That's my boy right there. No, the green M&Ms does not make me a diva, bro. I keep telling you this. No, not at all. Not a diva.
Like the red ones. He hates
and
the red ones.
and the white rose petals, not a diva. No.
Doesn't like anything red because red.
We don't like. Yeah, we don't like red, bro. We like everything green. Everything green, bro. Everything. Yesh, doubles, yesh.
You know what? Get some food dye. Just dye the
I'm
petals
telling you,
green.
bro. Right?
Dye the white rose petals green.
Yesh. Let's go get some shit, bro. Oh, dude, you want to know something? I did not get up. I spoke too soon. I was just gonna say I did not get a rivalry, and guess what? I got a rivalry. The guy went right over here, bro.
He's down below.
I see him. Oh, dude, it was Cypher PK, bro. I like Cypher PK. He had the Cypher PK skin, bro. You don't know who Cypher PK is?
No.
Dude, he's one of the biggest YouTubers for Fortnite, bro.
Oh, that
Cypher.
guy.
Cypher, bro, yeah.
I remember.
Yeah, Cypher. I like Cypher. I like the Cypher PK.
I don't.
I know you don't know all that stuff. Listen, I just want to say thank you for the donation by that guy, bro. You know, I just want to say thank you for the memories. It was nice taking that stuff away from you. Ha ha ho ho. You big knucklehead.
You know what it is? I don't watch many.
You don't watch stuff about Fortnite, that's why. I know you don't like Fortnite. You don't like your dad. I know. It's okay. It's okay. Don't feel guilty. It's okay. No hobbies.
No hobbies.
Just Fortnite.
Just Fortnite.
Somebody's here, bro. Somebody's here. No, Fortnite, bro.
Coach just like play Fortnite.
I'll be proud of you, bro. Alright, I just built the tower of pizza over here, bro.
My friend's parents just like play.
I need a shotgun,
Play
dude.
the piano and nothing else. No other hobbies. Hobbies. No,
I gotta get shotguns, bro. I don't know what the heck's going on. I don't have a shotgun, bro. Bro, what is going on with this game, Doubles?
They're like, why am I playing the piano? You hosted a little gathering in your house. Okay.
Is that what they said to you?
No, it's like a traditional thing for them.
All right, here we go, Doubles. All right, here we go, bro.
I don't know what it is, fam.
Piano.
I'm like, that's pretty expensive, bro. Like,
He took lessons for the piano. The piano.
I can't play that for
Oh, dude. Oh man, I really want to. You know what? I'm gonna go fishing, bro. Bro, I'm gonna go fishing.
the freaking harmonica? Yes.
Here's what we're doing. We're gonna go and get some fish, bro.
And even the guitarist question.
Let me find out that there's no fish around here. Seriously, bro?
Fish!
Are you kidding me, bro?
Fish!
Really,
You know
bro?
what it is? It's not a fish.
Obviously not, right?
No, you gotta find the fish.
I know. I don't know. Where is it, bro? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
For a pier or a dock, that's probably where you find it.
No, but there's usually... I think it's by the boat over there, but the boat's in the storm right now. Alright, don't matter none. Don't matter none.
Don't mean... Well, no.
It don't mean nothing.
There's a boat on
Well, that's where... yeah, but it's in the storm.
the storm?
I think so, bro. It's right... It was right,
Now it is.
yeah, it's in the storm, bro. I'm pretty sure it's in the storm. Let's see, let's see. I really want to try to get some heals, bro.
Wait, no, it's not in the storm yet.
No, I got time, but I gotta move fast, bro.
You got a minute. You got a minute.
And I hear gunfire.
Hurry. You gotta get it. That's why the heart. There you go. Big knock.
That's not bad. Ooh, wait. They got this for me. I'd rather have that.
Yeah. Get that fish. Nah.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why not?
That was not worth it. That was not worth it, doubles. I hear some gunfire. I hear me some gunfire, doubles. Ooh, right here, bro.
Contact front.
Where'd he go? I don't know where he's at, bro. Nah, he's not there. He pushed towards me. Alright. Yeah, he's up top. He's up top, bro. No. I'm gonna get down over here, bro. I'm just gonna move out of here, bro. He's hiding, so I can't get him. Right? Don't matter none. It don't matter none, doubles. No, I'm good. I'm good. I don't want to waste him. I'm gonna go over this ridge because that'll give me some distance from him. You know what I mean? And this way I can see where he's at. Alright, we survived to fight another day, bro. It's a different type of game.
Scavenging around a little bit.
Yeah.
Don't get too invested in the place.
Yeah, no, I know. I gotta move into zone, bro. Look at how far zone is.
Move to the zones.
If you see something, say something. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, bro. I know I saw him. That's why I came over here. Bandies. I can use some bandies. Why not? Why not? Well, why not? Why not? Let's get some heals. Yes? No? No, we don't need that. Oh, ooh, I want that, bro. Hold on. Nah, they're garbage, bro. Ooh, yeah, I want that. Oh, bro, that's all I got? That's it? I don't know. I got more. All right, bet one more. Nope, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out, bro. This. Yep, right there, bro. Yep, I'm outie. Let's get into zone right. If I could get into zone over here, maybe I could storm hold them. Let's see if this is zone. Let's get in a little more.
Poetic about piano lessons and his friends' parents' hobbies while coaches blowing shiznit up in every 4th sentence. Yes.
There is something cosmically funny about Doubles waxing poetic about piano lessons and his friends' parents' hobbies while coach is blowing shiznit up and hearing
You know what?
every 3rd or 4th
I'm
sentence.
not gonna lie.
That is a fact,
I'm
bro.
not gonna lie. My dad's cooler than me.
Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Coach is way cooler than most people's parents. I'm just gonna say
Woo! Oh my
that.
gracious.
When they're like whining about piano lessons, coaches just talk about blowing things up. That's amazing. And you know what? I am here for it. I am very much so.
I feel like there's somebody back there, bro.
There is somebody back there. That's why.
No?
Yeah, there's somebody to your southeast.
All right. Oh, look at this lusciousness, bro. We got lusciousness over here, bro. Let me find out, bro.
Yeah, there's somebody to your southeast.
There was somebody over here too at some point. I'm just gonna move in, bro.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's somebody down below too. See that?
To your northeast.
All right. Do I play doubles? Do I play to win? Play the win, right?
Always.
All right. I'm gonna play to win. I'm gonna play to win.
Don't play anything.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm gonna play to win. I gotta get the victory royale for the community. It really truly is doubles. All right. There should be enemies over here.
Alright.
I saw gunfire. This is not in. You know that, right? I'm not in over here. No, I'm not. I'm not. Oh, somebody's here, doubles. I know, I'm gonna get it. He had high ground. He had high ground, doubles. Not no more. I don't got no mobility to now. I did, bro. I did. I thought I did. Now I reloaded. Reloading. Get situated, bruh. Get situated, bruh. He's here, bruh. Doubles! Oh, doubles! You just got out of the way! Oh, doubles! Nah, he literally got out of the way just before I shot him in the head. Yeah, bro. He sidestepped me. Oh my god, bro. Nah. He did a good move, bro.
How do you sidestep?
I'll show you. I'll show. First of all, I want to watch this guy.
I don't think that's physically.
No, he sidestepped it, bro. He did. It's Fortnite, bro. It's Fortnite, bro. Oh man, I had him.
I'm so.
Yeah! Let's freaking go!
Sidestep
Let's. Yeah, he wasn't gonna sidestep that one, bro.
Sidestepping that one.
You know what I mean?
I never really liked that idea of just. I'm used. You know what it is?
You know what I'm happy about, bro? I didn't leave him any splashes, so he had no shield.
Ready or not, freaking Arma and things like that. You can't exactly sidestep a bullet. You can't
I know,
do that.
bro.
It's weird.
Bro,
So to me, it's like screws with me a little bit.
All right, I'm rooting for this guy.
Yeah, I am rooting for this guy. It messes with.
Wow, look at that, bro. Whoa, this guy's got some moves, bro. Did you see that? Holy smokes, bro. Load your gun, buddy. Yo, this guy can edit. Not bad, bro. This guy's pretty good. I mean, as far as his editing is concerned, at least, he's pretty good.
Oh, the shotgun carries. No, that shotgun himself.
Yeah, the mythical gives you double load. Oh, how the hell did that happen? He didn't shoot this guy. Yeah, and he just took a rivalry. He just took a rivalry, bro. Wow, wow. That guy. No, wait a minute. Did he shoot this guy?
No.
How did that guy get eliminated
That guy
then?
got got by the guys that were probably hiding over there.
But how? There was a wall up. I thought there was a wall up, bro. Interesting.
Walls only last so long.
I guess, man.
No, I guess
My money's on this guy. I think he's gonna win, bro. He's got some good edits, bro. He's got some good edits. I mean, I'll give it to him. He's got some good edits. Let's see how the end game plays out, because he might be a little too flashy, though. You know what I mean? Sometimes when you're a little too flashy, you know what I mean? A little bit too much. He's popping his head up a lot. Somebody just impulsed. I just heard an impulse, bro.
I heard an impulse and I saw a guy fly over to that.
He's in the bush, you think?
No, to his left. I think I saw something to the left.
He moved to the left, bro? No, he's in the bush, bro. 75, bro. Yeah, he's camping in the bush, and this guy just tagged him with the what is it?
That's how they got the other guy.
The DMR, bro. And there he goes. Dude, pop your minis, bro. Stop popping. He's popping his head up too much, bro. He could get capped with that, bro. You know what I mean? Let's see. He took the other guy out, so I'm rooting for him. No, he pops his head too much, bro. Too dangerous, bro.
I say let him cook.
He's gotta get into this guy's zone. This guy's gonna shoot him down. Look at that. Oh, he's dead. He dead. Medkit. Come on. Why are you building so far up, bro? Come on, bro. Too much. Medkit, bro. Oh wow. Nice shot.
I guess that's
Look at that. Not bad, bro. He just lost his head. Ooh, nice. Nice. Don't be that guy, bro. Just end him, bro. Come on, don't be that guy. I'm rooting for you. Don't be that guy. Oh, he's being that guy, bro. Oh, dude. Come on, dude. Oh, you are an ass. What an ass. Oh, dude. Oh, my God. You are a jerk. What a jerk. Oh, my God. And now he's going to end him. Oh, that was so... Yo, there are such clowns in this game. Oh, my God. I wanted to root for him, bro. Oh, what a clown. What a clown. What a clown. But you know what? He eliminated the other guy, so. Actually, you know what I got to do, bro? I got to stop watching after they eliminate the guy I want eliminated, you know? I got to. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get a share party. We're going to go over some more Stonkosaurus Rex doubles. I think it's time to go over the stonk that we really want to talk about. Right now, we're going to go over a stock that I really want to talk about. Ready? Here we go. AIFF doubles. AIFF on my watch list for Monday. Firefly Neuroscience. AIFF needs volume and has to break the $2 resistance level, but it's curling. It curled up after selling off, and you could see that the RSI is moving up. So it needs volume and needs to break the VWAP at $2. At $2. It actually went up 28% in after hours doubles. Do you know that? $28 in after hours. So you could see that the price action is trending upward on the RSI. You can also see that the price action is trending upward on the chart. And you can see that it's kind of trying to form a cup and handle. It's sub VWAP though, so it's still in a bearish pattern. If it can break the VWAP, if we get the graffiti pencil activated, the graffiti pencil is at $2.02. $2.02 right over here. So that is where your resistance level is for AIFF doubles.
AIFF.
That's going to be on my watch list. If volume comes in, of course, if volume don't come in, it don't matter none, doubles. You know what I mean? It don't matter none. It's got to have volume, bro. It's got to have volume. Listen, how about a cheapo stock? Let's do a cheapo stock. Ready?
Sure.
Let's do a cheap one. MLSS doubles. MLSS cha-cha. MLSS cha-cha. So it started moving towards after hours, right? It didn't, you know, it retraced a lot of the price action that it lost. It moved on light volume. All right, it moved on light volume, and it's a heavy floated stock at 66 million shares. All right, and it needs to break. The key level that I want to see it break is right around 30 cents. 30 cents. I want to see it break 30, 31 cents like that. That's a key level of resistance for this particular stonk. 30, let's go to 30 cents, doubles. 30 cents. Why not? Why not, doubles, right? Why not? Why not? 30 cents is the key level of resistance for MLSS. All right. But Beeps, I'm sorry, bro. I almost got that victory royale. Almost, but almost only counts in hand grenades and something else. I don't know what else. What is it, hand grenades and horseshoes? Horseshoes and hand grenades, bruh. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Doubles. Let's take a look at a different stock. You ready? Are you ready for this? Do you want it? Do you want it like this? I can't sing that. I can't sing it because we're PG, bro.
Yeah, we're PG.
We're PG. I can't sing it. I can't sing it. There's no fun in this world, bro. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at another heavy floated stock moving on light volume. CDLX. CDLX moving on light volume. It closed up 21% on Friday. Closed up 21% on Friday on light volume. It is a heavy floated stock at 47 million shares. 47 million shares. We're gonna go over some oil stocks too. You know, like we got to do oil, because oil is like expensive. You know, doubles. All right, here's another one. Ready? This is a stock that's moved in the past. XCUR, XCAR. Let's take a look at it. It's curling. XCAR closed up 9% in after hours. So it basically closed up 9% in after hours, right? And it is a 3 million float stock moving on very, very, very light volume. So it needs to break a key resistance area of bada binga around $5. $5. It needs to break the $5 resistance area. Moving on light volume. Doubles light volume. So that's the story with this particular stonk right here. Let's go back to MGRX. Take a look at it real quick. MGRX. MGRX cha-cha. MGRX cha-cha. Yeah. Needs to curl. Curl, baby, curl. Curl, baby, curl. So anyway. Anywho, let's get a share party. Let's get to 300. Let's get to 300. Let's get a share party going on. Share party. Let's get a victory royale, doubles. Let's do it. What do you think? Shall we? Shall we dance, bro? Shall we partake in a victory royale? A victory royale, bro? MGRX needs to break above the VWAP at 28 cents. Resistance is between 28 cents and 30 cents. 28 cents and 30 cents. Resistance on MGRX. MGRX cha-cha. MGRX cha-cha. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it done. We're almost at 300. Let's go for 420 for the beams, folks, ladies and gentlemen. The one thing that's good about this season, they got rid of the surfing, bro. I'll be honest with you, it was okay in the beginning, but it got a little bit annoying towards the end, you know? Okie dokie, let's go, baby, let's go. Let's go. Oh, what is all this? What is all this music? Oh, you're dancing. You're doing your thing. Okay. Can I do it too? Let's do it. It's not letting me do it. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Let's get Share Party. We're almost 300. Let's go for 420 for the memes. 420 for the memes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll go to the mountain, bro. Gotta go to the mountain. I'll go to the mountain, bro. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gracious, bro. Oh my gracious, bro. Oh my gracious, bro. gotta get used to the new season. Gotta get used to it, folks. Gotta get used to it. What are you guys looking at? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat which songs you guys are checking out. Which ones are you checking out? Let me know. Let me know. DB, your mom's in the house. Can I get a hey? Hey! There you go. Now it's a party. DBL Moms, I'm getting used to the new season. I'm trying to get dubs for the community. It's a little sweaty, which is kind of, par for the course when there's a new season. And I'm trying to get used to the new weaponry and what have you. You know what I mean, DBL Moms? Yeah, but I'm going to get to it. I'm going to get to it, I'm going to be all right. I'm going to be all right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's get these weapons. Ooh, ooh, let's get the weapons. Weapon. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Oh, they already got a thing for me, bro. DBL Moms. They already got a rivalry for me, DBL Moms. They already got one for me, DBL Moms. You know what I'm saying? They want to fight the coach. They want to fight me. They want to fight the coach. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it. Why you want to fight the coach? Leave me alone. I ain't bother you none. Right? DBL Moms. What the heck? What's wrong with them? I don't know. I don't know. What is this? Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo. Wow. I mean, I'm pretty, I don't have a lot of ammo, but as far as loot is concerned, I'm alright. I'm alright, DBL Moms. I'm alright, DBL Moms. You know what I mean? Let's see. Let's go over here, see if there's anybody that we can partake in festivities with. Let's get that share party. We're almost at 420. Let's get that share party. We're going to talk about BATL, oil stock BATL. We're going to review it. Reviewing BATL shortly on stream. Oil. BATL. We're going to review it soon on stream. Oil. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, mic check. 1 2 1 2. Mic check. What the heck's going on over here? Somebody's shooting someone. I don't know. Somebody here? I don't know if somebody's here, bro. The enemy's making his way here. That's for sure. Somebody's up here. Somebody's up there, DBL Moms. Somebody's... What the heck is this? What is this? Ooh, that looks nasty. I don't know what that is, but it looks nasty, right? DBL Moms. Ooh, way. Out of here. Give me that. Give it to me. Now. You give it to me now. Goonie Google. They gotta give it to me. DBL Mom's in the house. Come on now. What'd you think about that, Mama? I did it for DBL moms. In the house, y'all. In the house, y'all. I gotta tell you, that was pretty schmexy. I'm not gonna lie. Right? Right, DBL moms? Right? Right? Let's get a launch. Let's get a little launchation over here, bro. A little launchation, DBL moms. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, look at this. Oh my. Oh my. We got an enemy right there. An enemy. Doubles. DBL moms. Where did he go? Where did he go? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't go in there. I don't know what these gloves do, but I'm gonna try something. Nothing. Baba bingo. Ooh, look at these nice. Wow, that's nice right there, bro. That's nice. Look at that. That's nice, yo. That's nice, bro. Ooh, I feel nasty. I feel dirty. I feel mean. I'll attack the poor fella. The poor fella. He deserved it, though, DBL moms. Come on. You know he deserved it. DBL moms, come on. He deserved it. I'm in my vehicle. I need some shield. Honestly, I need shield. I need health. I need shield. I need all kinds of things, you know? I'm a little Chambolino right now. Ooh, med kit? I'll take a med kit. Why not? Well, why not? Med kit. Do it. I could take a med kit. Why not? I could do it. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Half pot right there. Half pot. I don't know if I like this, so... Maybe I should just get heals. What do you think? Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Why not? Why not? Shut the gun? I already got the shut the gun. I don't need the shut the gun. Heals? No. I don't need it. I don't want it. None. Let's go. Let's go, DBL moms. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it for the indelible tribe. Let's get a share party. Let's get the 420, eh? Let's get it. 420 for the memes, DBL mom. Doubles never told me what that means, by the way. Do you know what he means by that? Yeah, well, I keep saying it. I don't know what it means, Doubles, DBL moms. I don't know what it means. And then when I asked him to tell me what it is, he's like, oh, I can't tell you. You know? He's like, you're a villain, you know? You know what I mean? I'm like, come on, DBLs. Come on, man. Oh, no! I fell off the cliff! How did I do, DBL moms? I did great, right? Right, mama? I'm an excellent driver. I ran into a cow. Yeah, I did. That's there's enemies nearby, DBL moms. I'm gonna just go. I want to get into zone, DBL moms. I'm gonna get into zone, DBL moms. I am. I'm doing it. I'm doing it, DBL moms. I'm doing it already. I gotta get like into the middle of the zone over here. I'm thinking. You know what I mean? Yeah, the storm is shrinking, DBL moms, but it's not that shrunk. Look, there's still like, there's still room. I feel like I should get some gas. Because my whip's running out of gas. We'll get a new whip. Get a new whip too, right? Forget about it. I just get a new whip. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new whip. Bada bingo. We don't need to get particular. Alright, here we go. Folks, let's get that share party going on. We're gonna go take a look at SLXN next. SLXN is gonna be the next stock we look at. Gonna be reviewed next. Alright. Ooh, just shooting over here. DBL moms, just shooting right here. I feel like I should partake in some festivities. If I could see where they're at. I don't see nobody. I don't see nobody. I don't know. I don't see nobody. Ooh, look at all this lusciousness. Is this luscious? Nah, not really. Nothing really luscious over here. Oh my, look at this. Look ahead. Look at over here. Look at. Let me see what my situation's looking like loot-wise. I'm good. I don't really need anything. I'm good. I'm in good shape. I mean, a better AR, maybe? Maybe a better AR? I don't know. I'm thinking out loud. What is this? What is this thing? Oh, ah. What does this give? Does this give coins, or what does it give? This thing? That's kind of lame. Nothing good. Wow, those drops are horrendous, bro. Leave your moms. That is not... No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. No, no bueno, mama. Somebody's right there, bro. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Alright, forget about it. Forget about it. I'll leave you alone. You can have it to yourself. Don't worry about it. You can have it to yourself. Don't worry about it. It's okay, bro. And of course he rifted on me. Don't, dude. If I turn around, I'm gonna really get angry. I'm trying to scare him. Yo, this guy he's launching all over the freaking place, yo. He's launching. Oh, come on. Come on! Alright. That's enough for this guy. That's enough! Alright, so we're going to talk about SL... What did I say? SLXN. We're going to talk about it after I'm done with the game. That's going to be the next one we talk about. The next one. Another one. Another one. Alright, let's do this. Give your moms. Here we go. I don't know. No, I don't want to go down there. Not at this point. Too late in the game. Where is this guy? He's shooting over here. The game is lagging, DB moms. Gotta be somebody down here. Right there. Three more enemies. I gotta be cool. Let's see if I can tag this guy again. I feel like I should tag him again. Let's see.
Howdy, Bo Beebs.
Bobo Beebs in the house. Bobo Beebs.
Hope you have a fine day today.
Is he down there? I don't know if he's down there. He is down there. Poke your head, bro. I just want to keep messing with him a little bit, you know? I'm going to cut him off because he's probably going to go low over here. So I want to, like, cut him off. Because he's probably going to move right here. He's probably going to come down here. Yeah, and I'm going to get him. He might come this way. You know? He might come this way. So I want to tag him on his way over here. I gave up height, but I think height's going to be contested. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, mama?
It's going to be contested.
Contested. Contestation. It's like constipation. That didn't sound good, right? No, no. But we're going to talk about SLNX pretty soon, so it don't matter none. It don't matter none. It don't matter none. We're going to talk about SLXN soon. Suna doubles. Where's doubles? Where's that fella? Where is that creature? We want to get a share party going on. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up.
Share it up, everybody.
Let's get it going to 500. 500.
Let's get
We got
back
more stonks to review. More stonks to review, I tell ya. More stonks to review. Alright, 2 more enemies. I need them to start fighting. And then I'm on a third party is what I'm gonna do. I'm just saying, I'm on a third party, DBO moms, because that's what I need to do. Come on, Zone, close already. Come on, Zone, close already. I need to get a Victor Romeo for Bobo Beeps. He has to deal with the terrorism going on in Walmart.
Oh no!
Well, I did Walmart this morning. It was upsetty spaghetti for me. Oh my, it's a 1v1. All right, that's it. I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up. 1v1. I'm going up. I don't care. I don't care none. I'm going up. I'm going up, DBO moms. I'm going up. VB. Oh, he's here. He's here, bro. Poke your head, bruh. Oh no! The heck? Oh no 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 no! Oh no. Get over here. Come on. Come on. He's in here. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Wow, look at that, DBL Moms. Look at that screen. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Is that awesome?
I love that.
That's some amazing artwork. Ah, DBL Moms. Let's go take a look.
Close.
Let's go take a look at the stocks. This is so annoying. You know, it's so annoying. It's annoying.
It is.
DBL Moms. Let's get a share party. Let's get it to 500.
Let's do that.
Let's take a look at SLXN. Let's take a look at it. SLXN. SLXN. Let's take a look at it. All right, it's selling off, right? But it did close up 14% in after hours. It is a stock that is 3 million float. So the float is very, very low. It's just that the volume was almost non-existent. But as it closed, look at the spike that happened right over here. It happened right at the close. We had a big spike in the RSI, It needs to break the volume weighted average of $1.30 as the key resistance area.
Okay. I see.
So it needs to break that key level of resistance. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement right there. All right, you could see that the Fibonacci is holding support at around $1.20. You're going to have resistance at the $1.30, which is the VWAP, and then the next resistance area from there would be $1.40, and then the psychological resistance at around $1.50, and then $1.60 would be the next key level on SLXN. Cha-cha. SLXN. Cha-cha. Next one we're going to take a look at, we're going to look at another sub-dollar stock, ticker symbol REFR. REFR, heavy floated stock, closed at 13% on Friday. REFR. And you could see that it moved up and then started turning downward, but you could see that the RSI was in the oversold area and then there was a reversal. So it needs to break resistance pretty much right over here at around $1.05. Let's give it a key level of resistance at $1.05, right around here, I would say. Boom, because you're right here. See it? Right there. Boom. Boom, chakalaka, chakalaka. Resistance at 105, and it will need volume. That's Research Frontiers Incorporated. Resistance at $1.05. It needs to break it. Break it, you own 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 it. Let's get a share party. Let's get over 400. 400. Now, there's another ticker that I want to take a look at. ABVE. ABVE has a history of running. ABVE has a history of running. And it moved 31% in after hours on Friday. DBL Moms, I'm going to get myself a little bit of my drinky drink, mama. What do you think? Should I get my drinky drink, mama?
Yep.
I'm going to get my drinky drink because I'm getting a little parched. A little parchation. A little parchation, y'all. Yummy. All right, so here's the story with this one. This stock has a float of 21 million. It is a sub-dollar stock, so the float's not that big of an issue. But it had very low volume at 2 million. So the volume is low, but you could see that it recovered from being oversold on the RSI and moved all the way up to overbought. So let's get some key levels of resistance. Let's see what the key level of resistance for this particular ticker will be. will be, and of course we need volume to validate. We need volume to validate. The next resistance level of any major significance on ABVE is going to be at $1, between $1 and $1.15. All right, so that's the key level of resistance on it. So that's the story. That's the story with ABVE. So that's a key level of resistance for this particular ticker. The one thing that I'm noticing, though, is that the RSI is showing me that there's very thick trading on ABVE. So there's a lot of trading from both the bulls and the bears. That's what you tend to get. You see, DBL moms. You know, when you see the RSI thick like that, the line is very thick like that, that's usually an indication that it's thickly traded by both bulls and bears. Yeah. All right, folks, I'm going to jump in and go and try to get a victory out. The second place is killing me. Yeah. But we're going to go over oil stocks soon. Okay. We're going to go over oil stocks soon. Get in here. Get in here and watch me talk about the oil stocks. The oil stocks like BATL, like BATL. Like BATL. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get to the share party. We got 420. Let's go for 500, 600. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, 500, 600. DBL moms. DBL moms. Let's go. 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 Let's get it. 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 What do you think, DBL moms? Let's get it. See, I should probably start rocking this SMG. I don't know. I'm not a big SMG guy. You know, a lot of people like the SMG. Like my friends that I play with, they love the SMG to break builds and stuff like that. You know, DBL moms, you know? I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to take it nice and easy. Nice and easy. I'm going to take it nice and easy, DBL moms. Nice and easy. I'm going to go by the ocean a little bit. Take a look at the seagulls. You know? Checking out the seagulls. Let's get a share party. Let's get it to 500. 500. Another stock that moved on Friday was BGL. 12%. 12% on low volume. BGL moved 12% on low volume. There's somebody already contesting this place. DBL moms. Cray cray. It's cray cray, I tell you. Cray cray. Cray cray. People contesting my field. Oh no! No! Get me out of here! I'm done. Man! Yo, DBL moms, man. This has been like... Today has been horrendous, bro. DBL moms! Alright, did we talk about BGL? Did we talk about it?
BGL, yeah, we talked about that.
BGL, we talked about it, that it needs volume, and that it went up 12% on Friday. Alright, I'm gonna load back up. I'm getting my feelings hurt over here. They're making me angry. And you don't like me if I'm angry. They're not gonna like me. They're not gonna like me though, DBL moms. They're not. DBL moms. Do you feel bad for the coach? I feel bad for the coach. Why am I talking to myself? Why am I talking about myself in the third party? Third person?
I don't know.
Why am I talking about myself in the third person?
I don't know
Why? We're gonna be talking about oil stocks soon. Oil. We're gonna talk about oil stocks soon. We're gonna review oil stocks soon. Oil. Is it still over $100 a barrel? I think so, right? Yeah. You got all that tension in the Middle East. Tension. There's all that tension. A lot of tension. Intention, you know? Intention. A lot of tension, you know? Alright, what are we doing, DBL moms? What are we doing? What are we gonna do? I'm not driving. Am I driving? No, this guy's Sassy Gem is driving. I'm not driving. I'm gonna land over here. They randomly allow someone to drive. I haven't driven yet. DBL Nix drove like a couple of days ago. But the Fortnite gods, they don't love me. No, not me. Why would they love me? No. They don't love Coach. I don't know. I mean, I drive nice. I'm a good driver. I'm a good driver, mama. You know I drive good. Hold on. Here comes the turn. There goes the curb. All right, here we go. I gotta get serious because this is getting redonkulous at this point. I missed the drop and it cost me the game. All right, there's somebody over here somewhere. Nearby. I'm gonna get the weapon first this time, my man. All right, I got the weapon first, my friend. My friend. All right, I got it first. I got my weaponry first, DBMs. Let's get some of this. Why not? Ooh, full shield. Wow. That's schmaxy. Somebody already got a vendetta against me. A vendetta, a rivalry. Can't we all get along? Can't we just get along? I don't know, DBMs. I'm getting a little fugazi over here, you know? I'm getting a little fugazi of this. Alright, here we go. Alright. You know what? I think I'm going to take this one. I'm going to take this gun. And I'm going to go with that right there. And I'm going to go like that. I think I'm going to just push this guy. Splashy splash. Yummy. Some splashy splash. I like me some splashy splash, DBMs. Ooh-wee. I don't know, this guy's like not in an area where I want to go. I want to keep looting. Ooh, look, DBMs. I got the harpoon. I could go fishing. I could do a little fishy fish, DBMs. Get me some heels that I like, you know? Why not? Look, this fishing hole's right over there. DBMs, look. Looka. I wonder who said that. I don't remember. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Nobody knows. Here. Alright. I don't. Oh, this is a spicy one that makes you run. It's a spicy one. A spicy. It makes you run. Makes you run fast. It depends on what the... I don't know. This is not letting me do it. Not letting me do it. I don't understand. Alright, let's get out of here. Ooh, blue chests. Let's go. I almost did not do this, too. I almost did not do that, DBMs. I am so glad I did it. I am. I'm gonna take the spicy fish right here. 1, 2. It makes me fast. It makes me run fast. Because I get spicy. I'm not gonna bother this NPC because it's not worth it. The NPC is not worth it, so we're not gonna bother with it. We're gonna not bother with it none. Where's the enemy? The enemy's right there. I'm gonna leave him alone. Ooh, look at that loot. Look at that lusciousness, DBMs. There's lusciousness over there. Do you know about lusciousness? DBMs, there's lusciousness right there. Look, it's called loot. Little looty loot. DBMs, looty loot. Ooh, it's so schmancy. Oh my gracious, look at this. Yummy. Wow. Well, those spices really make you run fast, DBMs.
Really?
Look at how fast I'm running.
Yeah, see that.
It's like I'm on something. I'm on speed or something. I got spice if it. I think it's over. I got another one of these thingamajigs over here. You know what? I'm not feeling it. I don't want to be bothered. I don't want to be bothered, DBL Moms. I don't want to be bothered. Yeah, I don't want to be bothered, DBL Moms. I don't want to be bothered. I'm going to rift away. I'm going to rift away, you know what I'm saying? I want to get all the way over here. I feel like I should take the car. The car. Gonna take the car. I'm gonna take the car. You know why, DBL Moms? Because it gives me some mobility. Bye, fool. There's a fool in there, too. And I'm gonna camp him. I think so, DBL Moms. I think I'm gonna camp that fella. Alright, let's see if we can. He's over there. There was somebody. He's right there. I see him. Yep, right there. I saw his feet. Did you see him? You don't see him now, but he's down there. He's down there. He's down. He's in this house. That's where I heard the noise. You know, where's my vehicle? My vehicle's nearby. Where you at, fella? Right there. You saw him? I hear gunfire. Rivalry. Oh, somebody. Looks like somebody wasted my rival. Somebody wasted my rival, I think. Right there. They're fighting each other. Look at this. Oh, come on. Bye, fool. Bye, fool. Bye, fool. I need ammo. I'm gonna go get his ammo. I'm gonna go get his stuff. Oh, somebody right there, DBL Moms. Somebody right over here. See you, fool. See you, fool. Bye, banana. Bye, banana. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, banana. Bye-bye. 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 Right? Right, DBL Moms? Bye-bye. That was nice. That was lovely. That there was lovely. Oh, my gracious. Oh, my gracious. Oh, my gracious. That's a beautiful... That's a beautiful one. That's a beautiful one. Somebody's here. Somebody's here. We're gonna get out of here, DBL Moms. We're gonna get out of here, DBL Moms. We're gonna get out of here. Somebody's floating up here. Fighting over here. Bye, fool. Bye, fool. Bye-bye, fool. Ooh, wait! get some sweats today. Let's get a shit party.
Shit party to 600.
Let's get to 600. My goodness gracious. They're ornery. We're going to review JAGU soon. JAGU. JAGU. Cha-cha. JAGU. We're going to review it shortly. We're going to review it shortly. Right, DBL Moms?
Right.
All right. Somebody's shooting over here, DBL Moms. Yeah. Over the ridge. Let's go over here. Get a better view of the situation. That gives us a better view. You know, DBL Moms?
Maybe.
Where the enemies at? Shooting over here too, DBL Moms. I don't know where they're at. I don't see them. They were here. How many folks are there? There's 7 more enemies, ladies and gentlemen. 7 more enemies. Enemy, I tell ya. Enemy. Oh my gracious. You okay, DBL Moms?
Oh, I'm all right. I think.
You sound a little perturbed over here. All right, what's going on? What's going on here? Where are they at? Where's the beef? Where's the beef, DBL Moms? Oh, look at this. All right, I'm still in zone. I don't see nobody. I don't really have a lot of mobility. I'm just going to have to fight my way out of this situation, kind of, sort of, DBL Moms, you know? I'm going to have to. I wonder if anybody's going to take a challenge to fight me. A rivalry. We're also gonna review another stock. We're gonna review SOS. Oh, somebody's here. Get out of here, bro. Alright. See if I can get a half pot over here. Nah, no half pot. It's 1v2, baby. 1v2, baby. What the heck? All right, DBL Moms. It's a 1v1, mama. 1v1, mommy. Mommy. Doubles. 1v1, baby. We're gonna go over We're going to go over SOS in a little bit, a little bit. We're going to go over it. And then we're going to go over the oil stonks. Oil. Oil stonks. Oil. Doubles. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Seems to me like, I don't know. What am I doing? Right over here somewhere. Where you at, fella? Where you at, fella? Where you at, fella? Come on. Come on, bruh. Where'd he go? Ran out of mats, doubles. Ran out of freaking mats, bro. Horrible. 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 All right, let's go over some stonks, doubles. Let's go over some stonks. You ready? Let's go over the stock that we said we were going to go over. Which one was that?
SOS.
SOS. Let's take a look at SOS. SOS. Let's take a look at SOS. SOS. Let's go and take a look at it. Let's go take a look at it. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 600.
600.
Doubles. SOS needs to break a downtrend. Needs to break a downtrend. It was up in after hours 14%, but now it's moving downtown. It needs to break a downtrend. SOS needs to break a downtrend. All right. Let's get into the oil stocks. Ready? You ready, doubles? We're going to do oil stocks now.
And then
BATL, battle, BATL. BATL. You know what I want to do? Actually, I want to do TMDE first. Oil, TMDE energy, TMDE energy needs to break some key levels. Okay, it needs to break some key levels. Let's get the Fibonacci retracement. It's going to need some volume, maybe some volatility from the geopolitical situation. TDME needs to break the key level of $1.60. $1.60. Oil stock. Let's go to TURB. TURB. Oil stock also needs to break some key levels of resistance. Let's get the Fibonacci retracement set up for it. Yes, sir. TURB is holding support at $2.10. $2.10 holding support. Resistance will be at $2.50. $2.50. Oil, energy stock, energy. NRG. Let's take a look at SUNE, another energy stock. Bullish pattern, bull pennant. It's got a bull pennant. Needs volume to validate. It has a bull pennant. Let's get a share party. Needs to break the bull pennant. There is some degree of distance between the 9 EMA and the VWAP, so it's a little bit extended. Validation will come from the RSI pulling upward. That is SUNE, cha-cha, SUNE, energy, cha-cha-cha, Sunation Energy. That's the name of the company. Let's go to BATL, another oil stock, BATL. Battalion oil. You can see it's been consolidating. So it's consolidating. It needs to break a level, needs to break the consolidation. It needs to break it, doubles. It needs to break the consolidation. It's got to get above $12.50. And then the next key level would be $13. Dollar bill, yo. Dollar bill, yo. Right. All right, ready? Are you ready, doubles? TPET. Let's go over TPET. TPET is also consolidating. A lot of these stocks, they started to like back off a little bit, because there's like mixed messages as to whether or not the oil prices are going to go up. They're not going to go up. They're going to go up. They're not going to go up. So like there's indecisiveness right now, right? But if the barrel of oil starts to tick upward, these are stocks that I'll keep a peeper on to see if they're getting any attention, right, doubles? You know what I mean? So TPET, consolidating, needs to break the following level. Let's get the Fibonacci retracement set up over here, doubles. Let's set it up. Let's get it set up, doubles, right over here, right over there. So we got some key levels of resistance. Key level of resistance is going to be between $1 and $1.50. Between $1 and $1.50 on TPET. The stock has run based on the turbulence that's been going on in the geopolitical realm. Right, doubles? Yes. Yeah. I'm just saying. So those are the oil stocks. Oil stocks. Oil stocks. Right? Oil. Doubles. Oil. We're going to go over MobX after we go and play a game, right? So let the audience know that we're going to review MobX next. MobX, MOBX, cha-cha, MOBX. We're going to review it momentarily on the stream. Yes, sir. Let's go try to get a Victor Romeo. I'm upset, man. Too many of these matches are too close, doubles, Way too freaking close, doubles, Come on, bruh. Come on, I tell you. Come on. What did I do here? News and investment we're looking for. Right there is what we're looking for. Right, doubles? Okay, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. What is all this? What is this? All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, look. Is that John Wick? No, who's that? No, that's not John Wick. Who's this, doubles? Look, who's this character? Tell me. Is that John Wick or is it my imagination? But it is a John Wick, right? John Wick isn't that Keanu Reeves? John Wick, right? Yeah, it's kind of Keanu Reeves. That doesn't look like Keanu Reeves at all, though, right? Am I right or am I wrong? Doesn't look like him, right? It don't look like him. It don't. I tell you. It don't. I tell you. I tell you. It don't look like him. Don't. I think I'm gonna go over here, bro. I'm going to go over here. Let's see if this guy keeps moving the truck around. He just honked the horn, bro. See, this guy's a nice guy. He's like not. Oh, I could beep the horn, Doubles. You see that? I'm beeping the horn, bro. Holy Toledo. All right, let's go. That guy didn't really move the bus around at all, you know? He was like, come see, come sa. Come see, come sa. T-Pat. Come see, come sa. Hey, am I not seeing the messages again, Doubles? Because I keep hearing the message thing going off, but I don't see it going off. You know what I'm telling you? Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Sick Money. At Coach Sick Money. And, of course, you're going to want to take the 4-day trial with the Discord, gain access to all the news features that we're currently using right now on the stream. You're going to want to have access to that. And, of course, you're going to want to have access to all the scanners that we have, the market movers and the breakout scanner that's specifically designed to alert us early for stocks that are showing signs that they might go parabolic. So there's a 4-day trial in the pinned comment and in the description. Go ahead and click the link and tell us you saw us on the stream. Why not? Right, Doubles? What do you think? Why not, Doubles? Why not? Right? Right? Am I right? If I'm right, I'm right. Right, Doubles? Alright, somebody already started a battle royale over here. They gotta be over here somewhere. Where is this creature? Where is this fool? Where is this fool? Where are you? You started it, now come and finish it. Where the heck did this guy go? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna loot. I'm not gonna waste no time. If he ain't gonna come, I'm gonna loot. Seems like he's down here somewhere. There he goes. Alright. Alright. Doubles. What the freak, man? What the freak is going on here, bro? Not having a good time, brother. Not having a good time. All right, folks, that is Power Hour for the weekend edition, ladies and gentlemen. What happened?
That popped up at that was very well timed. That is Power Hour.
The show, 3:30.
That came in.
That's too funny,
That was
Doubles.
perfect timing.
That's too funny. All right, let's do the outro, bro.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble in the tumble. Let's do the tumble. All right. It was a rough, dude. I'm not gonna lie, it was rough, bro. Right?
Yeah.
Right? This was a rough session. I gotta tell you, I'm not loving the season at all. Not even a little bit. But we'll see what happens. You know, I always say that when the season first starts. You know that, right?
I know you do.
I always say that. Anyway.
Eventually, you come to love the season. I don't know why.
I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I might be playing some OG, bro, because I'm really not loving it. Honestly, I'm not loving it.
I don't
I'm
like
not.
the little gimmicky thing.
Yeah, I don't. That zip line thing does not work for me. The lame impulse grenades does not work for me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's fair. That tracks.
Yeah, it's not my thing. Anywho, all right. Quick thing before we wrap up. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps and don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it's full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch. Plus the search feature for news pertaining to stocks that you're interested in, as well as the news that's provided in the scanners for the top gainers, as well as the breakout stocks. You'll have access to the pre-market scanners, the regular hour scanners, as well as after-hour scanners, float, volume, catalyst context built right in, and you'll see our ticker tape scanner built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. This isn't noise, it's structure. Okay, and that's what a lot of people need is structure. They don't need the noise, the blah 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 on social media. If that's how you want to approach this market, grab the 4-day pass and come and see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comments. And when you come in, tell us you saw us on the stream. Folks, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Set the notifications on, and you're gonna want to see the Microcap Morning Show, which is every morning, 8:20 a.m., Monday through Friday. It's with my illustrious co-host, the star of that show, DBL Nick's in the house. And he and the huntress of all things parabolic, the Serengeti specialist herself, DBL Moms, are going after every parabolic stock pre-market into regular hours. So go ahead and check that show out, 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're also on X.com at X.com, Twitter, right? Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And we're also on TikTok, Tiki-Taki at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys to achieve your goals, your aspirations, and dreams. I hope you had a really good time. I hope you learned a lot from what I was showing you. And more importantly, I hope you have a hunger for more and more knowledge, because knowledge is power, ladies and gentlemen. Knowledge is power. And I also hope that you had a couple of laughs, because I find that with humor, education just follows. So hopefully my corny jokes made you giggle a little bit at the very least, and maybe gave you a big belly laugh if I was really successful at it. I hope so. I hope you had a belly laugh in your belly. It came out of the belly.
Yes.
Yeah, out of the belly, I tell you. Out of the belly. Folks, I call y'all indelibles because I want you to achieve your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams, and I want you to leave your mark. I want you to be inspirational to others. I want you to make other people happy, because you know what? It's more fun to make money and have a good time with people than doing it by yourself. Make sure that you're inspirational to others. Achieve your goals, your aspirations, and dreams. Make it happen. You can make it happen. It's all you, 100%. You
Yes.
got this. You got this. I call yellow indelibles because I want you to leave your mark, and I want your mark to be unerasable, a.k.a. indelibles, baby.
Yes.
Now, have a fantastic weekend. We love you very much. You're fantastic. You're terrific, and we will see you soon. God bless you all. Peace out. Bye-bye.